So one of the devices in this video is the Blackview Xplore 2. Now this is an upcoming 5G rugged phone from Blackview. It's going to be Blackview's most powerful rugged phone. According to the details, the Xplore 2 would be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity H300 5G octa-core chipset. It's going to pack a massive 20,000 mAh battery and support 120 watts fast charging. The device would also feature a 6.73-inch QHD AMOLED 120Hz display, and since it's a rugged phone, it's going to be rated IP68 and IP69K, and it will be military grade standard A10H certified. So these are just some of the top features of the upcoming Blackview Xplore 2. So let's move on to the next device. These are the top features of the Ulefone Amod 29 Ultra and why it's one of the best flagship rugged phones of all time. The device boasts significant processing power with the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor clocked at 3.4 GHz, complemented by the Immortalis G720 GPU with a clock speed of 1.3 GHz, ensuring smooth performance for even the most intensive tasks and games. Memory and storage are ample, featuring a massive 16 GB of RAM with an additional 16 GB of VRAM and a spacious 1 TB of internal storage, expandable up to an impressive 2 TB via microSD card. Durability is a core highlight, with IP69K indicating protection against high pressure, high temperature water jets, and IP68 for immersion, dust protection, and general drops. It's also built to operate in extreme temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. The phone's substantial 33.8mm thickness and 688 grams weight are indicative of its rugged construction. An immense 21,200 mAh battery, which offers an exceptional 1,140 hours of standby time and 114 hours of talk time. Charging is incredibly fast with 120 watts support, and also supports 10 watts reverse charging. The display is a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus screen with a 1080 by 2460 pixel resolution, providing clear visuals. Photography is a strong suit with a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP main sensor paired with a 50MP ultra wide angle lens and a dedicated 64MP night vision camera for low light conditions. Video recording can reach up to an impressive 8K resolution at 30 FPS. I'm talking about the rear main camera here. The front facing camera is 50MP, which is capable of recording up to Full HD videos at 30 FPS. Now, connectivity options are comprehensive, including dual SIM support, USB Type-C with USB 3.2 Gen 2, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and a full suite of navigation systems, including GPS, GLONASS, and the others. It retains a headphone jack and features a single 2-watt speaker. Additional essential features includes NFC, OTG, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor integrated with the power button, face unlock, an IR blaster, which means you can use this device to control most of your home appliances, and the device also features an underwater camera mode. It also incorporates all major sensors like proximity, accelerometer, and gyro, ensuring a comprehensive and highly functional user experience for those requiring a phone that can handle harsh conditions. So the Blackview Active 12 Pro would be available in only black color, and the device is boldly rugged at 28.3mm thick and weighs a solid 1522 grams, which is over 3 pounds. This is due to the fact that the device packs a massive battery. We'll talk about that later. The phone runs on the DocOS P4.2 based on Android 15, offering a modern, smooth user experience. Now, this device is the world's first tablet to integrate a 200 lumen 1080p autofocus projector capable of displaying up to 120 inches with Widevine L1 support for Full HD content streaming. The device also features a 400 lumen dual beam camping light with multiple modes including SOS, making it perfect for outdoor and emergency use. For display, it sports a large Full HD Plus IPS screen with an 83% screen to body ratio and a smooth 90Hz refresh rate. The tablet is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset built on a 4nm process, reaching up to 2.5 GHz clock speed for efficient and high performance processing. Now, the phone would be available in two powerful memory configurations, including a 12GB RAM and 256GB variant, and a 16GB RAM and 1TB variant. The storage of both variants can be expanded up to 2TB via microSD card. Now, this device houses a massive 30,000 mAh battery, supporting up to 112 days of standby time and 6 hours 45 minutes of projector use, with 120 watts fast charging and 10 watts reverse charging to keep your older devices powered up. Camera wise, it's equipped with a 108MP Samsung HM6 rear camera and a 50MP Samsung GN1 front camera, ideal for high quality photos and video calls. Of course, the rear camera could record 4K videos at 30fps. Audio is equally strong thanks to its dual box speakers. Its ruggedness is certified with IP68 and IP69K ratings with 1.5 meter drop resistance and 1.5 meter water immersion for 30 minutes. The device is also military grade standard 810H certified. Other features include NFC, glove mode, stylus pen input, which according to Blackview would be included in the box. The device also supports all the major navigation systems including GPS. It also supports dual SIM slots. Glove mode is also supported, which means you could actually operate this device while wearing gloves. It also supports underwater camera. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4 and OTG support. It also comes with essential sensors like a proximity sensor, gyroscope, accelerometer and more. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the device would cost over $500, but that's merely speculation. Moreover, the Blackview Active 12 Pro is expected to deliver unmatched rugged functionality, massive battery life, and multi-purpose utility, making it the ultimate tablet for professionals, adventurers, and power users alike. So there you have it, guys, some of the best 5G flagship rugged phones of 2025. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.